Need to log out of your Facebook account? It's super easy. Let me show you exactly how to do it. Now, the first thing we're going to do is, of course, head into Facebook. I'm on my iPhone, but you can do this on Android or computer. So open up Facebook, and we need to find the menu button. In my case, it's at the bottom right, but it could be at the top right or top left on your device. After you've tapped on the menu button, you'll see this screen. Just scroll to the bottom, and at the bottom, tap on Log Out. Next, just tap on Log Out, and keep in mind it will have your account still on there. But if you wanted to permanently remove it, tap on the three dots at the top right, and then hit Remove Profiles from Device. And then you can just tap on Remove next to your account if you wanted to completely remove and log out on your Facebook account on your device. I hope this helps. I know your time is valuable, so thanks for spending a little bit of your day here with me today. And I hope to catch you on the next one.